Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Gawande, third year electrical student from GH Raisoni College of Engineering Nagpur. In this video, I'll tell about the course of EV201 powertrain and its complete working. Let's begin the video from level 2. In this level, I have built a primitive DC motor with the help of insulated coil, two strong neodymium magnet, one cell and two safety pins and assemble them as shown in video. The working principle of primitive DC motor is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Let's move to the first part of my EV powertrain, that is 3-pole BLDC motor. It consists of two strong neodymium magnets and 25 copper coil which is insulated and three nut bolts, breadboard and etc. Based on this component, I have built motor. Firstly, I have won 200 tons of copper coil on iron bolt. According to this process, I have made three coils for the motor. I used a 608ZZ bearing and fixed in the middle of the coil and it apart from each other at 120 degree. As you can see in this video, all three coils are placed apart from each other at 120 degree. The reason behind of the arrangement is to create the sufficient magnetic field to rotate the rotor. This arrangement also takes place balance torque distribution and smooth operation. Question is, why the magnet are placed so close to the coil? The answer is, the reason behind is whenever I giving the power supply to the coils act as an electromagnet, and as you know the rotor neodymium magnet facing outward north pole, so the proper placement of magnet is attract the rotor very accurately and smoothly to run the motor when the magnets are so close to the coils. During this whole process, I have faced some issue like at the time of construction of motor, ununiform distance between the rotor and coils. At the time of running motor, face majorly one issue which is improper phase sequence of the three coils. To solve this issue, I have checked all the phase sequence and make the connection according to the right arrangement. Move to the BMS, battery management system. BMS is one of the most important part of the EV powertrain. The main function of the BMS is monitor, balance, charge, discharge, monitor individual cell voltage as well as the battery pack voltage. BMS also used for communication with motor. BMS gives the indication by the sensor like DST sensor which you can see here and to measure the current of the battery pack and the individual cell. BMS mainly consists of kill switch, fuse, contactor, Arduino BMS 12-volt input and DST sensor and also consist of current sensor. Let's move toward the thermal management system. The main purpose of thermal management system is when the temperature increase at the certain value with the help of heatsink which is installed on BMS, it reduces the temperature of cells and transistor and also it maintains the optimal temperature. Now moving toward the I2C communication, the connections are made as shown here. The BMS Arduino act as a master and sends the commands to the motor controller Arduino which act as a slave. Receive communication command from BMS Arduino. These two analog wires A4 and A5 are used for I2C communication between BMS Arduino and motor controller Arduino. Now switching to the last part of our video, here you can see the whole setup of our module. It contains three PCBs board which include P and N channel and two transistor and the resistors. And here are the three phase out wires. As we seen here, motor is connected in star formation. Individual phase of motor is connected to the phase out terminal of PCBs. To make the connection, I have named each of coil windings as U, V, W and also follow the same phase sequence for the PCB connections. to make the rotor rotate in required direction. This is how 3-pole BLDC motor works.